The question says, when a resistor of 5 ohm resistance is connected across a cell, its terminal potential difference is balanced by 150 centimeter of the wire, and when a resistor of 10 ohm resistance is connected across cell, the terminal potential difference is balanced by 175 centimeter of same potentiometer wire. Find the balancing length when the cell is in open circuit and the internal resistance of a cell. Now, if you remember the third use of potentiometer, which says that we can measure the internal resistance of a cell, which is for which the EMF is to be measured. We have the formula, if you remember, R is equal to R times, capital R times L1 by L2 minus 1. Now capital R is the external resistance, L1 is the length or the balancing length when the external resistance is not connected in parallel with the EMF. That means this is the EMF which is measured of the cell, and L2 is the balancing length when this external resistance is already connected in parallel with the EMF, which means this is the balancing length for the terminal potential difference. And so we can say in the first case, when R1 is 5 ohm, the L2 is 150 centimeter. So when in the first case R is 5 ohm, we get L2 as 150 centimeter. And in the second case, when the resistance is 10 ohm, at that moment the L2 is 175 centimeter. Which means in both the cases they have not given L1, they have given L2 only. So if I substitute these values for the two cases, we get first case equation as R is equal to 5 times L1 by 150 minus 1, and R is equal to, for second case, 10 times L1 by 175 minus 1. So now if we equate this to equation, we can calculate the length L1, which is the balancing length for the EMF of the cell. So 5 times L1 by 150 minus 1 is equal to 10 times L1 by 175 minus 1. Definitely we can cancel this. Now when we open the bracket, we get L1 by 150 minus 1 is equal to 2L1 by 175 minus 2. So this 2 goes over here, 2 minus 1 is 1. We can take this L1 by 150 over here and we can have 2L1 by 175 minus L1 by 150. So definitely we can take L1 common. At the same time we can take 25 in the denominator common. So we get 1 is equal to L1 by 25 over here. Over here we are left with 2 upon 25 into 7 is your 175 minus 1 upon 25 into 6 will be 150. So we get 1 by 6. Now if we solve this, we get L1 by 25 into 12 minus 7 as 5 upon 6 sevens are 42, and that is equal to 1. So definitely 5 ones are 5 fives are. So L1 becomes 42 into 5 as 210 centimeter. Now once we have the value as 210 centimeter, we can substitute L1 in this equation to get the value of R. So this will be equal to 5 into L1 as we got as 210 upon 150 minus 1, which will be, cancelling this, we get 3 sevens are 3 fives are. 7 by 5 minus 1 is actually 2 by 5. So 5 into 2 by 5, the 5 gets cancelled, and so the internal resistance is 2 ohm, and that is your final answer.